Well, good Monday morning to you. We're about to start off the last full week of April, if you can believe that. Good morning. I am student meteorologist Ben Reppert here from the Campus Weather Service, bringing you your weather update over the next couple of days. It's a cool start out there this morning. Temperatures this morning are in the 30s as we take it to the hub camera. As we look toward the south and the southeast toward Mount Nittany, you can see the sun trying to poke itself up, but notice we do have some clouds out there this morning. Those are going to be mixing with the sun today, so we're going to be having about a half and half day in terms of the sky cover. Right now, as I mentioned, we're in the 30s, 34. It feels like 30 with a bit of an easterly wind, but this isn't too far away from the standards for this time of year. The normal low is actually 35 degrees, so again, this is what it's supposed to be like in April, even if you don't like the chill. I'm right there with you, but it does happen this time of year. Right now, as across the state, temperatures are in the 30s. It's 34 in State College, 38 in Harrisburg, Allentown, Philadelphia, 43 the warm spot in Pittsburgh, Erie also at 40 degrees. As we zoom it out across the region, Atlantic City, look at this, 31 degrees. We've got a huge cool pocket up over the northeast, 16 in Saranac Lake right now, and even 40s to the south and west. There's no real warmth to be found just yet, so we've got about 2 cool days before Wednesday we can warm things up around here. And that's going to be with a cold front. Here it is out to the north and west. More snow is headed for the high plains and places like up towards Minneapolis, where they've got the watches and warnings up there. They've had incredible amounts of snow for this April. I think this will be the last snow system for them. This front out to the west here is going to be marching eastward by Wednesday to bring us our next chance of wet weather. We also have this sneaky system off the coast, which is going to try and brush the eastern part of the area with more clouds and maybe even a couple of late night showers on your Tuesday. This, though, will not impact the center part of the state, as we will just simply be too far out of its reach. And that's a good thing. Coastal storms, we don't need those. We've had enough rain as of late. Now, looking at the future, currently across the region, nothing to speak of, as you saw in that wider zoom. But as we go out in time, things will start to change a little bit. Late this afternoon, all things are clear. We expect a good deal of sun during the afternoon this afternoon, but here come these pesky clouds from that area of low pressure offshore. These are going to sneak in and affect places like the eastern part of the state, the southern part of the state during the day tomorrow. It could also bring a few showers close to places like Philadelphia, the Delaware Valley, maybe the Lehigh Valley, and up into the eastern Poconos. Not guaranteed. Could see just a few light showers, and it's not going to be a lot of rain if you would see any. Then the clouds will pull back away as we head later on in the day Tuesday, but then system coming in from the west. This will bring us our next chance of rain. You can see it beginning to move into places like Pittsburgh and Franklin during the early afternoon, and then it sweeps east. Mid-afternoon affecting State College, in the evening toward dinner time affecting the eastern part of the state from Harrisburg up toward the Lehigh Valley, and then as we head later in the night Wednesday, more could come up from the south with potentially heavier rain for the overnight hours before we completely clear it out on Thursday. A bit unsettled indeed. For today, sun and clouds mixed. I think it's going to be pretty much half and half in terms of the sky cover. 57 for the high temperature. That is unseasonably cool for this time of year, with normal highs being in the 60s for this time of year. Now, the 7-day forecast from Campus Weather Service. Extra clouds for your Tuesday with that coastal system. 59. Wednesday, we warm it up to 66 degrees, but again, we do have afternoon and evening thunderstorms on tap. Thursday, we'll clear it out, especially in the afternoon, turning cooler again back down to 57. Friday, a great day. Nice way to finish out the week if you're going to be going to moving on. 60 with sun. Saturday, 64. Sunday, 68. And then by day 7 on Monday, we bring in a chance of rain and a temperature of 70 degrees. So that'll do it here from the Campus Weather Service. I'm Ben Reppert. You have a great Monday.